I'm Oliver Buxton. I'm a professor of fluid mechanics in the Department of Aeronautics at Imperial College London, where I've been for 12 years now.
Hi, my name is Katya. I'm a PhD candidate in the Department of Aeronautics. I also did my undergraduate degree here a few years ago now. Can you tell me a bit about what makes the Department of Aeronautics so special?
Well, I think what's so special is the combination of theory and practical applications of engineering that we have. And actually we have some really fantastic experimental facilities that our students use and have access to throughout their degrees. We have a suite of low-speed wind tunnels and in fact a water facility as well for testing models of aircraft, road vehicles, wind turbines. But we also have a supersonic and a hypersonic tunnel which we use for testing vehicles at much higher speeds. So students have access and use these wind tunnels to measure things like stability, drag, aerodynamic lift, these kinds of things. But I know you're also using wind tunnels as part of your PhD project, so tell me a bit more about what you're doing.
So I use the T1 wind tunnel, so it's a 3-foot by 3-foot test section. I have a robot outside the wind tunnel that pokes its arm in and flaps a bit like a bird. So I use this to take measurements of the unsteady aerodynamics that flapping flight uses, for example, birds or other large vertebrates, and how we can leverage these unsteady aerodynamics for future aerospace control. But I definitely haven't used all the facilities that we have in our department, so what other kinds of experimental facilities can our students expect to be able to use?
We've also got a flight simulator where students can design models of aircraft and test them and fly them, including in group design projects, for example. We also have a drone arena for testing unmanned aerial vehicles, primarily for things like disaster relief and observation.
Another thing that we also have alongside all the aerodynamics is we have fantastic facilities around building composites, so for lightweight structures engineering within the aeronautics field. I remember also when I was in the first year in the rocketry team, we used to go there to design our airframe, for instance.
Exactly. We also have a very strong reputation for composite materials, which is what students need to learn in order to make lighter weight aircraft and vehicles, which is a really vital part of ensuring sustainability with future flight.
Ollie, you've been here for 12 years. Can you just tell me something about what you love most about the department?
I think really it's the people. It's the opportunity to work with incredibly talented students, researchers, colleagues. It really makes it a fantastic place to work and it really pushes us. You've been here since your undergraduate. Tell us why you've chosen to stay.
It's a combination, really. It's our world-class experimental facilities, but also the amazing sense of community within a department like ours. Everyone is doing so many different things, and yet we all come together, we share ideas, and it's a very collaborative and also productive environment to do research in, and also to study.